And I predicted this. I predicted this in my last video, and I'm going to show you a clip. I'll show you a clip from that video that I can prove that I actually predicted this. So this is good news. This is good news. Bitcoin is back to 40K. So the question is, where does it go from here? And a lot of people will start investing in crypto early and early and earlier and earlier because they want to get a head start. But obviously, as the beginning of the year is starting to pump up hype, expect it to rise once again, and you'll be looking at an uptrend. And this is why I think it will eventually hit 40 grand before the end of this year once again. This is probably a good this is a good time to add in this video that this video is not financial advice. This video is just like a educational news video. You know, I'm just updating on what I think about the crypto market and that my predictions were technically right. So there you have it. This was a video I made quite recently. I posted this video over 10 days ago. So 10 days ago, that's a good time to make that kind of prediction. So what was the price of Bitcoin at the time, right? Well, the price of Bitcoin at the time was 32 grand. 32 grand, there it is. That was the price of Bitcoin at that time. Almost 33 grand. So it's fair to say that Bitcoin has increased its value quite a lot because it's now sitting at 40 grand. Quite amazing. But where do we go from here? I got an article right here. It says Bitcoin eyes 40K after weekend surge. Yes, it was surging on the weekend just a little bit, but it's really today that it hit the 40 grand. So that's quite important. So let's stay on topic. So last Thursday, Bitcoin sank below 30 grand for the first time in a month. By Sunday night, just 5 days later, Bitcoin was 30% higher and getting very close to 40,000. The top cryptocurrency rebounded dramatically over the weekend and accelerated further when Asian market opened on Monday morning. So as you can see, even earlier today, the 26th of July, Bitcoin was around 38 grand. But as the day continued, it eventually hit 40 grand, and that's where we're sitting on right now. So it's actually fluctuating quite a lot. Sometimes it's at 6, sometimes it's at 40 grand 100, sometimes it's at 40 grand 300. So it's fluctuating a lot. So right now, Bitcoin is doing really well. Now, how about Ethereum? Ethereum has bounced back from a bearish stretch up to 22% in the past week, above 2,300. So Ethereum is doing quite well, almost getting close to 2,400 and maybe even 2,500. I think 2,500 is more than predictable. There it is. I'm making a prediction. 2,500 is definitely it's definitely possible. You know, on the 20th of July, Ethereum was just around 1,751 US dollars. Now it's at 2,394 US dollars. Yeah, that's a huge margin. That is a huge margin. You have to think about that for a moment. That is over $650 increase in a matter of 6 days. But there might be reasons behind this. There might be a reason behind why Bitcoin is pumping. So there are a few recent news events that likely help the revigorate crypto market. Now on Wednesday at a pro-Bitcoin virtual event called the B Word, Elon Musk pleased Bitcoiners when he reiterated that he owns and believes in Bitcoin, as does Tesla. Also, he revealed that his other company, SpaceX, holds Bitcoin on its balance sheet. This is huge. SpaceX is a huge company. Tesla is a huge company, and Elon Musk is obviously Elon Musk. What more can you say? So that alone is powerful enough to drive up the price. And I actually remember when this thing happened, a lot of people were talking about it more than I expected, because it was obvious to me that SpaceX, Tesla, and Elon Musk obviously own Bitcoin. It was quite obvious to me. So I was really surprised why everyone else was surprised. That's helped a lot to drive the price up to new height. Is that one of the greatest innovators of all time, especially investor, because he invests in himself and his own companies, and he's made them multi-billion-dollar companies. So that's one of the reasons why Bitcoin probably surged, why the crypto market is surging right now. So he also said for the first time that he owns some Ethereum, and as a fan of DeFi, decentralized finance, the fast trading investment industry built atop Ethereum, the rapper Busta Rhymes was so inspired by the event that he loaded up on Bitcoin. That's amazing. Busta Rhymes was buying Bitcoin because Elon Musk said he owns Bitcoin, because Elon Musk said his companies own Bitcoin. Amazing. And it's not just Busta Rhymes. There's a lot of other people who are investing in Bitcoin, especially celebrities. But this is how the world works. You know, these people, they listen to people like Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos. They follow these rich people because they've proven that they know what the hell they're talking about. Now, it also says that he's now looking to invest in Ethereum. That's amazing. That's amazing. If you know who Busta Rhymes is probably the last person you'd expect to invest in cryptocurrency or to even know about cryptocurrency. But a lot more people are finding out about cryptocurrency, even people you never expected. But, you know, because he's not in the tech space, he's in music, he's a rapper, DJ, whatever. But you never expect these kind of things. And look what's happening. So Square and Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey and ARK Invest CEO Cathie Wood, two other prominent Bitcoin flag wavers, also spoke at the virtual event. Wood's firm bought the crypto dip last week by loading up on shares on Coinbase. Shares? That doesn't make any sense. Coinbase doesn't sell shares. You must have mean Bitcoins or just coins. And the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. Anyway, a crypto job listing at Amazon added the renewed excitement in crypto market as well. Yes, Amazon is rumored to be getting involved in cryptocurrency. The amount of money that they receive on a daily basis because of their big business of selling goods online, it's honestly amazing. So if Amazon creates their own currency, it's going to be even more controversial than when Facebook tried to create its own currency. It's going to be a lot more controversial because Amazon is an American company, and which currency backs every other currency? The dollar backs every other currency, the yang, the pound, every other currency in the world. And Amazon is one of the biggest retailers out there, especially online, especially for Americans. Needless to say, if Amazon is working on a cryptocurrency, people will start to say, is Amazon trying to replace the dollar? People are going to panic. The world is going to get crazy. But for now, it's just in the air. It's just like we don't really know what's happening, but we got a little bit of information. So Amazon is looking for a strategic and roadmap for blockchain-based payment products. It's advertised for blockchain-related positions in the past. You hear that, people? It's advertised for blockchain-related positions in the past. And I'm not surprised because online company like this, they could use blockchain. It would really help them a lot. Now, every once in a while, a job posting will kick off a flurry of rumors in the crypto space, as industry watchers want to know whether a new mega corporation such as Apple, Facebook is set to adopt cryptocurrency. Well, to be honest, even Apple has had rumors that they're thinking about cryptocurrency, that they're watching cryptocurrency, they're thinking about cryptocurrency as well. Facebook was working on their cryptocurrency. I have no idea what's going on with Libra, and I really don't care, to be honest. Let's continue. So that happened today with Amazon, which recently listed a job for digital currency and blockchain product lead to create a vision and roadmap for a new payment product. Wow. Does sound amazing. So this was July the 23rd. This was like 3 days ago. So it's interesting to add that in there as well. Now let's just go back to a little bit earlier in the year when Bitcoin was doing over 63K. You know, that was quite amazing. And now it's at 40K again, which is halfway to 80K. And 50K is halfway to 100K. So is Bitcoin going to hit 100 grand this year? We don't know. Me personally, I think this news is good for Bitcoin. I think it will definitely probably keep on going up a lot higher than 40 grand that it is right now. The higher the price is the less supply, and lack of supply will drive demand, and it will drive the price up even higher. So I'm interested in seeing where we go from this. So Bitcoin is 60 grand away from hitting 100 grand. That's amazing. So in crypto market, analysis often focus on key resistance level. On Bitcoin way to its April all-time high around 63 grand, 40 grand, and 50 grand were seen as a resistance level it broke through. So let's take a look at the top 10 coins in the last 24 hours, right? Bitcoin has 16% increase in the last 24 hours alone. That's incredible. Ethereum is 10%. Binance Coin, which is really underrated, is 8.8% and 13.4% for Cardano. That's extremely good, actually. And not to mention the Doge. Doge has been under the radar in all of the news that are going on in the Elon Musk talking about Bitcoin news and Amazon talking about exploring cryptocurrency payments. Dogecoin is under the radar. 17% in the last 24 hours is still under the radar, 22 cents. Anyway, you're looking at Uniswap, $20, 13% in the last 24 hours, and Bitcoin Cash, 16% in the last 24 hours. Litecoin, 12%, 21% for Chainlink, which is extremely good. Now, there'll always be a lot of doubters saying Bitcoin is too volatile, you can't use it for everyday payments. Well, I don't think it was meant to be used for everyday payments. I don't even think that's anywhere in the white paper that it's meant to be used for everyday payments. It's there to replace the traditional bank. Simply, it's a way to keep your money safe out of the hands of any intermediaries or any subsidiary company or any middleman companies like a bank. Now, naturally, here's the thing that happens a lot in cryptocurrency market. When the price gets high, a lot more people wants to buy because a lot more people think they're missing out on a golden opportunity. But when the price drops down, a lot of people don't buy. If you want to go check out this video, you can check it out and let me know what you think. But thank you for watching, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bitcoin, ladies and gentlemen. Some people are saying Bitcoin is back. In my opinion, it never really left. And even if Bitcoin drops to $1 tomorrow, it still isn't